Hello, kids! Let's learn about car brands and their logos. Toyota. This is the logo of Toyota. Ford. This is the logo of Ford. BMW. This is the logo of BMW. Mercedes. This is the logo of Mercedes. Audi. This is the logo of Audi. Honda. This is the logo of Honda. Hyundai. This is the logo of Hyundai. Kia. This is the logo of Kia. Nissan. This is the logo of Nissan. Chevrolet. This is the logo of Chevrolet. Volkswagen. This is the logo of Volkswagen. Tesla. This is the logo of Tesla. Jeep. This is the logo of Jeep. Range Rover. This is the logo of Range Rover. Porsche. This is the logo of Porsche. Lexus. This is the logo of Lexus. Subaru. This is the logo of Subaru. Mazda. This is the logo of Mazda. Ferrari. This is the logo of Ferrari. Lamborghini. This is the logo of Lamborghini. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more fun educational videos.